Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome you all to the meetup. My name is Dinesh and I'm going to be your host for tonight. Today is MXTechies 6th virtual Mendix live meetup and the topic is going to be Supercharge your Mendix application with OneDrive integration. Speakers are going to be Yazar and Harihar. Before we start, let me introduce MXTechies. MXTechies was incepted in 2017. Initially, we provided high-code services such as Java, React, and so on. We made our entry into Mendix space in 2018. We are headquartered at Lewis, Delaware. We have over 75 plus certified developers with a mixture of advanced, rapid, intermediate, and expert, and the first company in India to have 2 MVPs. We provide the whole 9 yards of Mendix services, right from UI UX to developing web, native, and mobile applications. So apart from Mendix services, we also extend our applications in advanced analytics, RPA, and retail operations. Currently, we are partners of Siemens Mendix, providing end-to-end services for enterprises across the globe. So I'll quickly set up the agenda. The first topic is going to be the latest Mendixin updates, how cloud storage works, the topic which is OneDrive and overview, the importance of OneDrive integration in Mendix, and so on. And at last we'll be having the Q&A session. Without any further ado, I'll pass on the session to Yazar.
Let me share my screen. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's meetup. My name is Yasser. I'm an advanced certified Mendix developer with MXTechies. I have around 4 years of experience in Mendix across web, hybrid, native, and progressive web applications. I have worked with several large enterprise customers across the globe. Today, we are going to learn how to integrate Microsoft OneDrive with Mendix application. First, we will look at this key pointers and then we will jump into the live demo of the app with the use case. Over to you, Hari.
Thanks, Yasser. Hi everyone. Good evening. I'm Hariharan. I'm an intermediate certified Mendix developer with MXTechies. My core expertise is in Mendix, Java, and Spring Boot, and I have worked with many global clients and built a reputation for delivering efficient, high-quality solutions tailored to their specific needs. Let's keep the meetup lively and interactive. Okay? Before we get into the OneDrive integration, I'd like to share about the recent Mendix 10 release event launched on June. There is a whole bunch of exciting new features that have been added to Mendix 10. I'm sure most of you would be aware of the updates. I'm going to quickly show you a bunch of my favorite features. My most favorite feature is the multi-user task. Now, you can configure a single task to be executed by multiple users in parallel, maximizing efficiency and collaboration. With consolidated completion criteria like consensus or veto, you can effortlessly evaluate that individual task outcomes and achieve exceptional results. Say hello to your new era of task management and watch your productivity skyrocket. And next, we have wait for notification activity. It allows the workflow to be held or suspended until a specific event takes place, like business events, APIs, or other workflows. You can find the wait for notification activity in the workflow toolbars. To make it simpler, let me give you an overview. The notify workflow feature gives a heads up by returning a boolean to let you know if the workflow was really waiting for this event. And my next favorite feature is the New Studio Pro UI 3. This feature gives us the option to change the themes in Mendix Studio Pro. It automatically deletes the color preferences set in the operating system and uses the appropriate theme for Studio Pro. Furthermore, we can choose structure mode or design mode by default while opening the Studio Pro 10. Additionally, don't forget to restart your Studio Pro when you update these settings. And my final favorite feature is Machine Learning Kit. This amazing feature brings the world of machine learning right in your Mendix application. Now, you can seamlessly incorporate ML model developed with popular frameworks and programming languages into the Mendix runtime. With the ML kit at your fingertips, you have the power to take your application to the next level. Imagine the possibility of leveraging the intelligence of ML algorithm to enhance the user experiences, optimize processes, and make data-driven decisions like never before. It's time to unlock the full potential of your Mendix apps with the ML kit.
Great, Hari. Thanks for the heads up about your favorite new Mendix 10 features. Before moving on to the OneDrive integration, let me quickly talk about how cloud storage works. Cloud storage is the process of storing and retrieving data online. In other words, it is a process of transferring data from physical device such as disk or computer to a remote server. Let's look at some features of cloud. First, access and sharing. You can access your data from any device that is connected to the internet. All you have to do is log into your account and you will be able to get your files. Plus, a lot of cloud storage services offering sharing features, which means you can share your file, folder, other people either by giving a direct link or access them through their own accounts. Second one is data security. Cloud storage providers use different security measures to keep your data safe. They encrypt your data while it's being sent and downloaded. Also, when it's stored on their servers. This helps protect your data from being hacked or stolen. Finally, API supports. Cloud storage companies have tools that let developers integrate cloud storage into their own apps by leveraging APIs and so on.
Thanks, Yasser, for enlightening about how cloud storage works. Let me take it from here. OneDrive and overview. Cloud storage is based on file storage and synchronization service developed by Microsoft. It has a lot of features that are useful. Now, I'm going to highlight a few. Cloud storage. It gives you a dedicated storage space to save all your files. Cross-platform access. In addition to cloud storage, you can also share these files with others spontaneously. Collaboration. I must highlight this very significant feature. OneDrive is integrated with Microsoft Office, thereby it makes it easier to create, edit, and collaborate documents within the cloud storage platform. And finally, security. It emphasizes a lot of security through encryption, multi-factor authentication, and features like personal vault for sensitive files. These are some of the primary features of OneDrive. Alright, over to you, sir.
Thanks, Hari, for the information about OneDrive. Now, let's see the importance of OneDrive integration in Mendix. I would say first thing is reduced app development. Mendix low-code platform aims to expedite app development by integrating OneDrive into Mendix application. It can save time and effort by leveraging rather than building file management functionalities from the start. Document management and collaboration. OneDrive integration can enable seamless document management and collaboration within your Mendix app. User can upload, access, edit documents stored on OneDrive directly from your app. This is particularly useful when your app requires user to work with various files and documents. Finally, security and compliance. If we consider this, OneDrive comes with strong safety features like encryption and multi-factor authentication. When you integrate OneDrive with Mendix, organizations can ensure top-notch data security and follow industry standards and regulation effectively.
Great, Yasser. You have clearly explained the importance of OneDrive integration. There is no doubt about it. Let's move on to the prerequisites to access OneDrive API. Azure Active Directory, app registration and API permissions. Let's look at it one by one in detail. Azure Active Directory. Firstly, we need to create an account in the Azure directory. But why? Azure Active Directory is Microsoft Cloud Service for managing user identities and access to the resources. Let me give you a real-time example. In a large organization containing thousands of employees, each employee may need to access certain applications and services to perform their tasks. In the absence of Azure AD, the administrator must provide a separate user ID and password of each application. So tedious, right? Alright. Next one is app registration and API permission. Now, let's see how to do an app registration and give API permission. Let me log in into the Azure portal. Log in. Once you log into the Azure portal, you will see the dashboard page. To register new app, click the App Registration Service option to start the registration process. You will find a list of applications that are registered. Now, click the New Registration button. Enter a name for your application. Under the supported account types, select an appropriate account type for your application. I am going to select the first one. Okay. Enter the redirect URI of your application. I am going to leave it empty since it's optional. Now, click the register button to create the application. Wait, I am not going to click the register button since I have created one app registration beforehand for this meter. After registration, you will be navigated to the application's overview page. Here, you will find the client ID and other details. Note the client ID and tenant ID as you will need it for authentication. Then, the important part is API permission. Let me show you how to do this. Navigate to the API permission tab in the application overview page. Click on the Add a Permission button. Click the Microsoft Graph API. Select the application permission and search for File Read All, File Read Write All, Site Read All, and Sites Read Write All. Select this permission and click Add Permission button. Wait, I have already added the necessary permission. Then, we need to get admin consent from your Azure administrator. Okay, let's get back to the presentation. Did you ever wonder why we are creating app registration if we have API and permission in hand? Microsoft offers robust identity platform, but to facilitate authentication and authorization, applications need to be registered. To that end, with Azure AD, you will find the app registration pane that offers that ability to create the registration of applications and assign permissions accordingly. When you make an app, you are basically saying Microsoft system, hey, I trust this app to work with user accounts.
Thanks, Ari, for the quick demo of how to do app registration and configuration of Active Directory and importance of doing it. Let me take it from here. Alright, let's dive into the main part of this webinar, OneDrive APIs overview. Let's look at OneDrive APIs we are going to integrate into our Mendix app. First, access token API. Second, create new folder API. Third, upload file API. Fourth, file sharing and permission API. And fifth, file preview API. This API covers tasks such as obtaining access token, creating folders, uploading file, sharing permissions, and previewing file within your Mendix app. Let me explain each of them step by step. First, access token API. This API is used to obtain an access token from the Microsoft Identity Platform. The access token ensures security validation of incoming API requests. To get the token, make a post request to specific endpoint with tenant ID. The request body should include client scope, client ID, and client secret grant type as form data. A successful response will provide a bearer token in JSON format. And next one is create new folder API. This API helps to create new folder in OneDrive. using post method, but it's secured to user ID and parent ID in the endpoint. The headers include access token obtained from the previous API and the content type as JSON. The request body in JSON format contains the folder name and the config behavior. A successful response yields JSON with HTTP port 201 created. Upload file API. This API helps to upload a file in OneDrive using put method. Include an access token in the header for authorization and the use text as plain as a content type. The request body contains the